Good morning, preschool summer starfish. Miss Amanda's in her classroom again. I'm in front of my whiteboard. One thing I wanted to do this morning, if you look outside your window, I have a window right here. What is it doing today? There's something falling from the sky. I bet you I know. I think I know what it is. I have it right here on my board. It's rainy today, yeah? Yesterday, the sun was shining and it was kind of warm. I washed my car, I washed my husband's truck, we mowed the yard, and then this morning I woke up and it was raining, but rain is so good for the plants and for the animals. I love rain. I wanted to show you guys that. We can start doing the weather in the morning, huh? Yeah? So this morning I wanted to show you a little activity that is going to be in the email this week. It's a compare and measure activity, and you can use, again, things that you have at home, also things that we sent in your science packet the past couple of weeks that we did Science Week. Some pom-poms, so I have 3. I have a big one, medium, and a small. Some pipe cleaners, a straw, some tape if you have it, and then I have a marker here. So the idea is to first, you can make predictions. So this is a how to get the pom-pom from one end to the other and see how far it will go. So you can ask your child, how far do you think it'll go? Do you think it'll go across the table? Do you think it'll go halfway? If they're a little bit smaller, you don't have to necessarily get an answer like that. You can just say, how are we gonna move this? And show them the straw and see if they can blow the pom-pom across whatever. For some of the older kids, what I might do is take the pom-pom and put it, in front, and then take my straw. I'm gonna open up my straw. Gotta have a new straw, right? With everything going on out in the world, we wanna make sure that our bodies are safe, right? So I'm gonna take my straw, and then what you can do is you can say, okay, I want you to try to blow it as far as you can. So we're gonna see if I can blow it to my laptop computer over there. So here we go. Whoa, I blew it all the way onto the keyboard. It went all the way onto the keyboard right here. So what you could do is you could take your pipe cleaners and you could count out pipe cleaners about how far it went from the end of the table to the pom-pom. So mine went 2 pipe cleaners. You could take tape and tick it off 1, 2, 3. So you could take a little piece of tape. And you can do this beforehand if you have a little bit of an older child. You can tick off tape, so you could put like 1 and then 2 and then 3, and you could say 1, 2, 3 and go all the way up, and then you can blow the next one and see which one goes farther, and you can ask them which one went further, which one didn't go quite as far, how many numbers did it go up. You can also have the elder ones predict. You can say, so if you have 1 through 10 across the floor or across the table or outside with chalk, you can say, how far do you think it'll go? What number do you think it'll land on? And you can predict, and then you can see how close the predictions are. And it's just really great for them to kind of use that kind of abstract kind of thinking to kind of guess where things will go, that they don't have to necessarily be right, but it also works with numbers because you're counting. It's science because you're moving something, it's measuring, so you can actually use a real measuring tape if you want to, if you have one of those. I like to use things I have in my classroom because I don't always have things right at the tip of my fingers. But these are some great tools to use, pipe cleaners and pom-poms. You can even roll up a piece of paper. Maybe you could try different materials if you have like marbles, or maybe you could ask them, you could put out marbles, pom-poms, paper, maybe a piece of wood, or some grass, and then say, which one do you think will go farther? And then they can try to blow each one, and then they, we can count how far they went. It's a great way to integrate math, and it's fun. You can do it outside. If you like to go out in the rain, you can do it out in the rain today. But yeah, it's a great activity, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'm excited because today we have our first Zoom circle time. Yay! And I'll get to see some of your fun faces. So Miss Amanda's going to say goodbye for now. And I'll see you guys later, okay? Bye-bye.